Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset your Sony LinkBuds S, and it's like really simple, nothing difficult. So there's like two ways how you can do it. The first way is that take both out, take them back in, and you want to hold the button on the back and press it for like 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now it's getting being like reset. I'll just hold it for a while. See? And now you know it's being resetted. Okay, it's done. So we just have to hold it. And did you see? So this is the first way. The second way is that you want to do it with every earbud by itself. So you're gonna do it only with the left one. Same process. I'm just holding and see if the thing is going to actually work out or no. So if the first way didn't work out, try with the second one with the one earbud, then for the second earbud, and then you take the left one away. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.